Good morning, friends. Welcome to day 3 of Food for Thought with Dr. Pooja. So, before we proceed, I just want to clarify one thing with all of you, that whatever I discuss and share with you in Food for Thought here are my personal views and opinions regarding the thought. These are my views and opinions that I have gained through the learnings from my counseling and therapy, through my experiences with life. So I do believe that different people will have different opinions and different views, and I really appreciate all your views, your suggestions, and feedback. So I would really like to hear from you people. If you want to give any suggestions, any feedback, any views, you are most welcome. Thank you. Yes, so moving ahead, so today's thought is one of my favorite: believe in yourself. So I'm going to share what I feel about believe in yourself. What are my views about believe in yourself? So believe in yourself for me, it means that I just don't blindly do things or just blindly follow things that I feel are right. I always try to assess my thoughts and my actions based on the grounds of rationality, on the grounds of usefulness, and on the grounds of universal principles. Now, I'll just clarify these three things. So, assessing your thoughts and actions on the grounds of rationality means to see whether my thoughts and my actions are rational, they are practical, and they are in consideration with the reality and facts. They are not just impractical thoughts, unreal or unfactual thoughts and actions. So this is the first thing. Second, that my actions and thoughts are based on the grounds of usefulness. Now, what does this mean by usefulness? So, my thoughts and my actions are useful, they are beneficial for others and for me. So, remember, it means beneficial for others also and for me also. So, it doesn't mean that I'm doing something which is benefiting the other person, but in that I am suffering or it is not benefiting me. Then it again becomes injustice with myself or being unfair with myself. Your thoughts and your actions should be such that they will always benefit other people and they will benefit you. So that will help. That will help us to be adjusted in the society, to live in harmony with other people in the society. And the third is that my thoughts are based on the grounds of universal principles. So universal principles means the principles that don't change from people to people, that don't change from place to place, and they are universal principles. If I would like to give you a few examples, then it would be universal principles like justice, truth, honesty, kindness, compassion, equality. So these are few examples of universal principles. If my thoughts are based on these universal principles, then they are accepted, they are just. And the second thing, that what I mean by believe in yourself is that I am aware of my capabilities, I am aware of my potential, my abilities, and I know how to use my capabilities and my abilities in an appropriate way and make the most of it so that I can excel in my field of interest. Also, if tomorrow means I know what I can do, what is my potential, and I use this awareness to excel in whatever field I am interested in. Also, if anybody tomorrow comes and tells me that you are not able to do this, this is not your cup of tea, then I don't just blindly accept it. I try doing it for myself. For example, if tomorrow somebody comes and tells me that cooking is not your cup of tea, so please don't try it. So I just don't blindly accept what the other person is telling. I give it a try. I tried doing it for myself. I assess my abilities, my potential in that field, and then after I have tried as many times as I want to try it, as I want to give it a try, give myself a chance, I have done it, and finally when I feel that yes, I can do cooking, but not that perfectly, or I'm very good at it. So what I feel about it, about my potential in that field, after I have assessed it, and listening to that is something which believe in yourself means. It is not that you accept blindly what the other person is telling you. No, you give yourself a chance, you give your abilities a try, and then you decide for yourself. So today I have shared 2-3 points what I mean by believe in yourself. I feel that this will help you at times when you feel that you are in difficulties or you're finding it difficult to believe in yourself. So the times that we have gone through, we have faced a pandemic, and we all are aware that during the pandemic many people have lost their jobs, their career was at halt. So when a person has lost his job, when his career is in a difficult situation, the person often finds it difficult to believe in himself. So I just want to tell every person who has lost his job, or who is trying to find a new job, who is trying to get settled in their career, and for those people who are finding it difficult, or who are taking a lot of time to have access to a new job or get settled in their career, who are taking a lot of time, I would just like to tell that don't stop believing in yourself, don't lose hope, try as much as you can, assess your potential, find your strengths, find your weaknesses, try to work upon your weaknesses, give your best shot, and keep trying. We have gone through a difficult time, we are still facing the after effects of pandemic, and this is the time where we have to stand strong. We have to not stop believing in ourselves, believing in our capabilities and our abilities. Don't see or don't think how far you have to go. See how far you have come, and believe that if you have come, if you have survived the pandemic, if you have survived those difficult times, then surely you have the ability to make something, do something for yourself, your family, and just keep believing in yourself, keep believing in your abilities, and keep giving your best. Okay, so thank you for listening today. I hope this video will help you people at times when you find it difficult to believe in yourself. Do give your feedback, your suggestions and views. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.